I've recently got the AZ-104 certification, so it felt right to share some insights. And honestly, it wasn't as hard as everyone says. But hear me out first. Most YouTube videos out there warn you will need months of preparation before taking this certification. This is not true if you're lucky enough to have some real-world Azure experience or working regularly with Azure. In the end, there are two options. You either work as a DevOps or cloud engineer and just want to validate your knowledge by taking this exam, or you want to get into the cloud field and want to learn Azure. Don't worry, I got you covered either way. Alright, let's talk about the exam day itself. There are around 40 to 60 questions to solve in 100 minutes, though you get 120 minutes at your seat for instructions and surveys. Then, in the exam day, you will see a mix of multiple choice, case studies, drag and drop, and hotspot questions. You might have heard the exam, it's open book, because you can look up Microsoft Learn docs. Here is the truth. Yes, you can open the docs, but if you don't know exactly what page of the documentation you are looking for, you can waste precious minutes. The documentation has just a simple search bar, without suggestions. And once you open a documentation page, you are not allowed to use Ctrl F or other searching functionalities. Start with the foundation first. The official Microsoft Learn learning paths. Those will get you through all the chapters and topics that you will need to learn for the exam. But sadly, those are not enough. The questions from the exam are much more in-depth than what you will find in the Learn modules. Additionally, I watched the following YouTube playlists. You can also check all of them in the description. And the day before the exam, I watched this video. For practice tests, I used this GitHub repo. These are not actual exam questions, but are similar and can help you validate your knowledge and get a feel on the exam format. Another great option is to learn by doing some AZ-104 labs. This will allow you to get some hands-on experience, which is what really matters in this field. You can also make use of the free Azure subscription offered when you first create an account. A few days before the exam, you should try the practice assessments from Microsoft Learn. You can do those multiple times, because there is a bigger question pool and you cannot get all the questions from one exam. After you have done this for a while, you can try to beat my personal best record. This is the best I could do. Leave a comment with your high score and let's see who can break my record. With all that said, go in confident, stay calm, and you've got this. Best of luck on your exam.